Hey guys, what's up? Beast from Beast Toys here coming at you. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you can get notifications of my reviews. Got a Horde Skeletor, just called Skeletor, but this comes from the Wave with Web Store and Clamp Champ. Just did a Clamp Champ video right before if you want to check it out. This one's Skeletor, Evil Lord of Destruction. So we got our Horde look with the Horde belt. So kind of cool. Looks like a cloth goods cape inside and also a cloth goods loincloth kilt, so to speak. So there it is. These are pretty cool. I like the boxes. I really wouldn't mind. Wish I had some more room. If I had some shelving and I could put up where I could sit these boxes with the artwork facing out, I absolutely would. But I do not. So right now these are all going into little tubs. So yeah, actually my baddies are going in a butt bigger box over here now. Alright, so Skeletor, here's what we've got. Evil Lord of Destruction. Skeletor's relationship with Evil Lyn dates back to when she was but a vagrant living in the gutters. He's serving of Hordak at the time. Skeletor rescued Evil Lyn from an angry mob, enhanced her magic, and gave her a place to belong. Not out of any sense of heroism or chivalry, but rather out of a desire to expand his own evil power. And there you go. That's it. So he comes with a red staff. Yep, cloth goods cape. Love these cloth goods cape. This one's pretty thick. This feels like thicker than some of the other ones, to be honest with you. That's always nice. Nice sight to see. So I hate these stupid little plastic pieces. I'm gonna pull these off before I get him out. I hate picking those out. Man, those and hurt your fingers. You just get pinch at them. So comes with 2 fists. Also, something else that I've noticed with all the Skeletors that I've opened so far, which is 4. Well, if you count Skelegod, it's 4. Is the Chaos Staff, I believe it's called, with the red head. That's kind of cool. Is all back to what I was going to say though. All the Skeletors have a different skin tone, I've noticed. So the first one I opened came with a barbarian helmet or whatever it is, and it actually, let's see how this cape works. Maybe some, I'm not sure. So I'm going to pull that up in a second. You can take this off, by the way. Here it is. Anyway, skin tone's different. So that one's more accurate to the original. And I think, well, then there's the original first one. And then this one shows up in an episode when it's basically telling the backstory to Evil Lyn. This Skeletor, the Horde Skeletor, I'm calling him. And so yeah, you can see there's the Horde symbol here and up here. It's kind of cool. But good thick. I always smell these. I don't know. I just want to see if they smell bad or musty or anything. That one smells fine. So, oh, that twists. So I gotta be careful. It kind of twist over to make it where it sits on him, where it sits down on him. I gotta push that down. Gives him. Thought maybe it was a hood. I was gonna pull a hood up, but it's not a hood. It twists to come over, and so it's just a cut piece of cloth, some kind of cloth. So a person could actually make one of those on their own if they really wanted to. Anyhow, so this part's really a softer plastic, bendable plastic. We're gonna straighten his legs out so he can stand up straight. I like the tallness of these figures. They're more, I don't know, give me more of a good feeling from the line to, so to speak, where he could originally yeah, I think I'm gonna change that. As I'm looking at this, lost my train of thought, but I'm like looking at that, I'm like, I don't know if I like the way that sits in that hand very well. We're gonna try as the left hand. So I always want to be careful. I was worried because with these hands, you just never know. I've only, knock on wood, only broken fingers on one figure doing a review, and it was Black Series, actually Stormtrooper Commander. It's the Stormtrooper. It's got blue on it, and he's kind of looks rough, looks battle worn, kind of like a 501st Stormtrooper, so to speak. Anyway, all right, so there you go, guys. There's your Horde Skeletor. Very cool, like the color scheme. Again, what I was saying earlier, though, all the Skeletors kind of have a different skin tone, which is kind of, I don't know if it's something Mattel meant to do or if it just happens to fall that way. I don't know. I'm not privy on that info, but something I might want to look into and check. So anyway, like I said, they're all different skin tone. There's four for sure that I know of that I can think of off the top of my head. This one, again, the barbarian looking one. Now Keldor came out, or is coming out, so you have to be on the lookout for him, King Keldor, but his skin tone is also a different blue as well. But so yeah, so out of the 5 known figures that I can think of, it's kind of neat, but their skin tone's different, so you can kind of distinguish between the eras of those Skeletors and where they placed in their timeline of their story. So kind of cool. Anyway, that's it, guys. There's your Horde Skeletor, another cool piece. So hit that like and subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. And guys, with the Horde Skeletor, thank you for watching. I'm Beast from Beast Toys. We'll see you.